Hello my loves, hope you all are doing well and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanika and I create videos about makeup, skincare and curly hair care. If you're new here, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and turn on that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any future videos. So today's video is gonna be mainly about skincare. I wanted to talk about one of my favorite ingredients and how it has helped improve my skin by a great deal over the past few months. So today I wanted to talk about a really popular ingredient these days, which is salicylic acid, also known as BHA. It plays a very important role in skincare and is also scientifically one of the best ingredients. Salicylic acid is an active that has the ability to remove the top layer of the skin, purify pores and remove dead skin cells. It penetrates deeper into the pores to unclog them, breaks down acne, reduces sebum secretion and also redness. It also helps in preventing blackheads and breakouts to help improve your skin's appearance. This ingredient has been much talked about these days and the benefits make it so appealing to consumers and skincare lovers. Personally, this ingredient has helped me a lot to improve my skin's texture and reduce blackheads. Everyone should incorporate this ingredient in their skincare routine, especially people with combination and oily skin. Dermatologists recommend people with oily skin and acne scars to incorporate salicylic acid into their skincare routine. I am so excited to introduce you guys to the newest launch from L'Oreal Paris. This is their Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. This product is their latest addition to the existing Crystal range, which I have obviously tried and loved. I've been using this range in my skincare routine for a while now. Ever since the Crystal Micro Essence launched, I've been looking forward to the launch of this product in India. What I love about this cream is that it's powered with salicylic acid. There are no major salicylic acid creams available in the Indian market currently, which had me even more excited for this launch. I've been swearing by the Crystal Micro Essence for over a year now and I still continue to use it every day. So now I'm quickly gonna go wash my face and show you guys how I incorporate these products into my routine. The Crystal Gel Cream has a water-based, oil-free formulation that locks in moisture without building up on excess oil that would eventually lead to breakouts. It's very lightweight and comfortable on the skin as well. Our skin has tiny holes called pores. One releases sweat, the other releases sebum, which is our body's natural oil. Oily skin is more prone to acne and pores, and therefore this cream is especially suitable for people with combination to oily skin. The Crystal Gel Cream penetrates up to 10 layers deep, deeply refines, purifies and minimizes pores for crystal clear skin and also controls oil for up to 8 hours. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Revitalift Micro Essence, which is one of my cult favorite products, and I've been using it in my routine for a while now. I'm gonna take a few drops and just dab it gently on my face. Then I'm gonna go ahead and take a really small pea-sized amount of the Crystal Gel Cream and apply it all over my face and gently massage it in. This cream is clinically and dermatologically tested. It's also validated and endorsed by the renowned dermatologist Dr. Ophelia. The cream is free from parabens, colorants, synthetic dyes and is also non-comedogenic. I am absolutely in love with the L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream and it's made my skin crystal clear. If you want crystal clear skin too, you need to get your hands on this. The L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream is available in 2 sizes. You can get your hands on the 15 ml jar for Rs 299 and the 50 ml jar for Rs 699. Head over to the links in my description box to check out the product. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I hope this review helped you. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, leave a comment below. I'll make sure I reply to it. Thank you so much for hanging out with me again, and I'll see you in the next one. I love you all so much. Mwah.